In today's world, stress can feel like background noise. Always humming, never letting up. Notifications ping, deadlines loom, and my mind rarely gets a break. But here's the thing. Nature's been offering us gentle remedies all along, and one of my favorites is the ritual of herbal tea. It's not just a drink, it's an anchor, a way to pause, breathe, and reconnect with myself even on the busiest days. Let's talk about why ritual matters. In psychology, rituals give us a sense of control and grounding, something to hold on to when life feels overwhelming. When I prepare tea mindfully, I listen to the kettle, watch the steam curl up, and breathe in the scent of herbs. Every step brings me into the present moment. That's mindfulness, pure and simple. And this sensory immersion? It tells my brain, hey, it's okay to slow down. Now, not all teas are created equal, especially when it comes to stress relief. Some herbs are like old friends, always ready to lend a hand when my nerves are frayed. Chamomile is gentle and floral, perfect for easing anxiety and inviting rest. Lavender brings a calming, aromatic touch, just the thing for nervous tension. Lemon balm, from the mint family, has this uplifting yet soothing effect that always lifts my spirits. Passionflower is my go-to for quieting racing thoughts, especially before bed. And peppermint? It's cooling, refreshing, and somehow manages to relax both my body and my mind. The beauty of this ritual is that each herb has its own personality. Part of the magic is choosing the one that matches my mood, like picking out a comforting sweater on a chilly day. Let's make a simple blend together. My chamomile and lavender evening tea. I start with dried chamomile flowers, about a tablespoon, and add a pinch of lavender buds. Pour over hot water, let it steep for 5 minutes, and that's it. The aroma is floral and calming, and the tea itself is golden and soft, like a gentle hug. This blend is my favorite after long, stressful days, especially when I need to quiet my mind before sleep. The real secret? It's not just about the herbs. It's about the ritual, the act of slowing down, tuning in, and giving myself permission to just be. With every sip, I feel a little more balanced, a little more at home in my own skin.
Recipe 2. Lemon balm and peppermint uplift. Sometimes stress leaves us not only tense, but also drained. For those moments, lemon balm and peppermint create a refreshing, uplifting blend. Lemon balm calms the nervous system while lifting mood, and peppermint adds clarity and coolness. Together, they make a bright tea that feels like a breath of fresh air for the mind. Steep for 5 minutes, sip slowly, and notice how your body unwinds while your energy gently returns. Recipe 3. Passionflower and chamomile serenity. For deeper calm, especially when thoughts race late at night, passionflower and chamomile work beautifully together. Passionflower quiets mental chatter, while chamomile relaxes the body. This tea is best brewed before bedtime as part of a wind-down ritual. Simply combine equal parts dried passionflower and chamomile, steep for 6 to 7 minutes, and drink it warm. As you sip, allow each breath to deepen and each thought to soften. Tips for creating a tea ritual. The herbs are important, but so is the way you prepare them. Slow down. Listen to the bubbling of the water. Notice the steam rising as you pour. Breathe in the aroma before your first sip. These small moments anchor you in the present. To enhance the ritual, enjoy your tea in a favorite cup, dim the lights, or play calming music. Over time, your mind begins to associate these sensory cues with relaxation, making it easier to let go of stress. Stress may be a part of modern life, but how we respond to it is within our power. Herbal teas like chamomile, lavender, lemon balm, peppermint, and passionflower offer more than flavor. They offer calm, comfort, and connection. When you turn tea into a ritual, it becomes a daily practice of mindfulness, reminding you to pause and care for yourself. So tonight, instead of scrolling endlessly or rushing through another task, try brewing a cup of calming herbal tea. Let each sip be a reminder that you deserve rest, peace, and balance. If you found this video soothing and helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss more wellness rituals and natural remedies. Here's to stress relief, one mindful cup at a time.